You finish writing your sales letter, you read it back, and that sinking feeling hits you. What if my sales letter looks like it was written by a beginner and turns people off? That fear keeps business owners from ever publishing their sales copy. Let's find the answer.
You know something's off. It doesn't sound like the polished sales letters you see from successful companies. It feels amateurish, like you're trying too hard, or not hard enough, but you can't quite pinpoint what's wrong. So what makes sales copy sound professional versus amateur? Let's break it down. It's not fancy vocabulary or complex sentences. In fact, that usually makes it worse. Professional sales copy sounds natural because it follows proven structural frameworks that guide the reader smoothly from problem to solution. Here's how to fix unprofessional sounding copy manually. First, use the AIDA framework: attention, interest, desire, action. Your headline grabs attention with a specific promise. Your opening paragraphs build interest by describing their problem in their own words. Your body copy creates desire by painting a picture of life after the problem is solved. Your close drives action with a clear, simple offer. Second, eliminate weak language. Remove phrases like "we believe," "we think," "sort of," "kind of," "pretty good." Professional copy is confident and direct. Say, "This solves X problem," not "this might help with X." Third, use the one idea per paragraph rule. Each paragraph should advance one single point. If you're cramming multiple ideas into one paragraph, your copy feels cluttered and confusing. Fourth, read your copy out loud. If you stumble over sentences, your readers will too. Professional copy flows smoothly when spoken. Rewrite anything that sounds awkward. Fifth, use specific details instead of vague claims. Don't say "save time." Say "cut your workload from 5 hours to 2 hours." Don't say "increase revenue." Say "add an extra revenue stream without hiring staff." Sixth, address objections directly in your copy. Professional sales letters anticipate every reason someone might not buy and answer those concerns before they become deal breakers. This manual editing process works. Apply these principles consistently and your copy will sound exponentially more professional. But here's the challenge. Knowing these rules and applying them correctly are two different things. Most people understand the concepts but struggle to execute them in their own writing. You end up rewriting the same sections over and over, never quite sure if you're making it better or worse. The Robert Hawkins copywriting system eliminates this guesswork. The sales letter engine in Phase 2 guides you through writing copy using proven formulas step by step. You're not trying to remember multiple rules while writing. You're following a structured framework that applies professional copywriting principles automatically. The system was created by a marketer who built a multi-million-dollar business based on real-world testing rather than theory. You get professional-level copy because you're following professional-level frameworks even without years of experience. Click the link in the description to learn more about the Robert Hawkins copywriting system and stop worrying about sounding like a beginner.